This is Lion Sleeps Tonight using the chords G, C, and D7. So we've got that G chord, which is the 3rd fret on the 1st string. Now, we're only playing really strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you always want to aim for those high strings. We're not down here. We're aiming for those high strings. So we've got the 3rd fret. So make sure you got your G sounding real good. That's the easy one. Then the C chord is that 1st fret, 2nd string. Notice we've got that hook, so it's hooking over the 1st string to be on the 2nd string. You probably want to play just that 2nd string and then put your finger down. We've got that C chord, and we've got those 3 strings. We got the G, 3rd fret, 1st string, then to the C. So we're going to go 4 counts to each. You can do whatever rhythm you want, but it's going to have that swing feel, kind of like you're jogging. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or then you're going to go back up to the G chord. Now notice my thumb is behind here the whole time, so that makes it easier to press the strings down really hard to get that nice clear sound. Here we go, G. Then to the C, back up to the G. Now you want to make sure you have that solid, really solid. So if you're not sure about that, go ahead and do it a couple more times, rewind the video. But I'm going to go on. The next chord we have is the D7. It's like the C, so we start out with that 1st fret, 2nd string. Then we go 2nd fret, 3rd string, and 2nd fret, 1st string. Okay, so we got this zoom in. This is what it's looking like. 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 1st string. Okay, you want to make sure you got your fingers there. Check that for a while, then take them off, then put them back on. Finding that, rewind this a couple times. Okay, so we go to the G, like we had before, then the C, then we go back to the G, then we go to that D7. Now start with that 1st finger, and then just wrap your fingers around it. So 1st finger, 2nd string, 1st finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 1st string. Now like I said, make sure you got that going. The G to the D7. You probably need to practice that a few times. G to the D7. Rewinding that, and then we put it all together. So G, 2, 3, then the C, then back to the G, then the D7. Notice how I lead with my 1st finger. That kind of leads it on. G, now C, then back to the G, then the D7. Now, if that D7 is giving you trouble, you can just leave it out as we're playing. Just do a couple times G, C, G, take a break. G, C, G, take a break. And that's fine. And then as you feel more comfortable, you start to add it in. Here we go. Now I'm going to play the whole thing. If you're not sure about this, go back and rewind some of the parts. I'm going to play this and then put the melody in on top. 1, 2, 3, G. Now the C, and then back to the G, then the D7, then to the G, and to the C, and to the G, and to the D7, and then we put some rhythm into the D7. We're just going to lay it out. And we end on a G.